Your typical customer's point of view, especially when it comes to the value of vehicle maintenance, is completely different than yours. That's why, when you're talking about shocks and struts, it helps to take a step back and walk a mile in their shoes. Let's talk about how to better communicate the value of ride control and close the sale without having to push for it. Selling ride control like shocks and struts can be tough. However, when you pair a good inspection with the benefits of a replacement, the job should sell itself. You're not just asking for money, you're showing customers what they're going to get in return. The challenge is, drivers may not even realize their car has shocks or struts. They may not know the lingo, however, they do know how their car feels and when something doesn't feel right. That's where you come in. If you get them talking about how the vehicle handles, brakes, and rides, then it's your turn to tell them what new shocks and struts can actually do. After you explain it to them, customers may think that new shocks will just help with comfort on the road. However, they may not realize how much more they're getting. Again, this is where your explanation can help. Tell them that restored cornering, shorter stopping distances, and better control in emergency situations are all part of the ride control package. Still, don't be surprised if they show a little skepticism. Some customers may think their shocks were already checked at the quick lube. However, real shock and strut inspection requires a test drive. Keep in mind too, some customers are hanging onto their vehicles longer due to higher interest rates and supply shortages. Though it may be a decent cost, explain that replacing shocks and struts isn't just maintenance. It's an investment that will keep customers on the road and extend the life of their vehicle. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.